Hi friends, Suzanne here. Welcome to the free card kit of the month video. In order for you to receive this free card kit and a small product gift sent directly to your Canadian mailbox, all you have to do is shop in my online store at a $50 minimum. No host code needed. But wait, there's more. Want to earn a free stamp set just for being a loyal customer? Check out the description box below. You'll find more information about this free card kit and my loyalty rewards program. And if you're watching this video to figure out how to put your kit together, I just want to say thank you for shopping with me, or thanks for being on my team. I appreciate you all so very much. For this month's card kit, I'm going to be featuring the Label Me Grateful stamp set, but you guys, when you get this, you're going to use whatever stamp set that you have. So I am sharing with you the Peaceful Garden Designer Series paper. You can't get this yet. You can only order this next month, September 1st, with the new holiday catalog. But I went to a card class recently and I was able to pre-purchase some of this beautiful paper. So I wanted the paper to be, or the designer series paper, pattern paper, if you will. I wanted it to be the star of the show. It is a really great paper. Misty Moonlight is the card base, and yeah, I just put it on a bordering piece of basic white. I thought I would bring in, and I was going to share with you the stamp set, but it's kind of Christmassy and also like sympathy wise, and I don't necessarily use a lot of sympathy cards. I do have a few on hand, but I use thank you more. So hopefully that's not going to bug you that I'm sharing a thank you card. I pop them on dimensionals, and this one I'm going to orient this way. Now, what you could do to zhuzh this up a little bit is put some embellishments on that card. I know it seems a little plain, but at the same time, just even a ribbon in the middle would work. For this one, I am going portrait, and I'm going to stamp with Misty Moonlight on the card base itself. I did do a little trim there. So anyway, thank you so much for spending time with me today, for all the comments you leave, for the thumbs up and the YouTubey things. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it. It really helps my small channel grow. Thanks again for watching. Enjoy the pictures, and I will see you next time. Bye for now.